Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can write on a line or over a line on Microsoft Word. So let us jump straight in. Of course, you'll have a form that looks like this. You need your name, occupation, and date of birth. You need to enter it in. Now, just as placeholders, I've used underscores to create a line. However, what you want to do is you want to erase whatever line is currently there, and you want to put in the details that you need to put in. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my name, and then I'm going to hold in shift and I'm going to go back, and I am going to look on the toolbar for the U with the underline. Alternatively, you can hold in control and tap the U letter on your keyboard. You can see now that it is underlined, and if you space a couple times, it will actually be underlined as well, the spaces itself. So there we go. You can now go ahead and do the same on all of the other tabs. You can go over here and say Sales Manager, and you can just hold in shift, select that, and hit the underline key again. You want to just go make some spaces after that, and then you want to also put in your date of birth. So you can go 25/3 1995, whatever the case may be. You want to now select that, underline it, and 1 2 3. There we go. You've now underlined your text or written over a line on Microsoft Word. If you have any alternative suggestions, drop it in the comment section below. We will see you next time. Have a good one.